Hello guys, welcome to a special sounds video. Join me as we say the ones we've learned and help me find the new special sounds in the words that we will learn at the end. Ready, begin. Ing in pointing, I-N-G. N in not, K-N. N in gnat, G-N. Ang in bang, A-N-G. Ing in king, I-N-G. Ong in long, O-N-G. Ung in strung, U-N-G. Ink in wink, I-N-K. Ank in bank, A-N-K. Onk in honk, O-N-K. Unk in trunk, U-N-K. Wa in wash, W-A. In adopt, A. E in baby, Y. Ul in little, L-E. Ed in wanted, E-D. T in looked, E-D. D in played, E-D. And the new one that we are learning today is W in whale, W-H. W in whale, W-H. You say it. Good. Now when we make the motion, make your arms look like a big whale, like it's a very, very big one. And I can't do that, but you do that at home, and let's say it all together. W in whale, W-H. Nice job. Now if you notice the W-H, this H, you can't hear it. And so whenever you see W and H together, know that the only sound you'll hear is the W. So let's go ahead and get out that piece of paper and pencil, and let's write down some words and find this special sound in it. All right, here's our first word. All right, go ahead and write this one down and circle the special sound you see. Mark the vowels. That might help you sound this word out as well. Okay, let's check your work. Is this what you circled and marked? All right, did you do that? Did you circle? Did you find that W-H? Nice job. Let's go ahead and sound it out. W-eat, w-eat, wheat, wheat. Wheat. I like to eat wheat toast with jelly in the morning. Wheat. Go ahead and use the word wheat in a sentence. Nice work. Now let's go ahead and do another one together. You might recognize this one as one of our special sight words that we have learned already. So if you do know it, great. Here it is. Go ahead, circle the special sound you see and mark the vowels. That might help you as well as you sound it out. All right, now let's check your work. Here we go. Did you circle the W-H? If you did, nice work. Now let's sound it out. We knew this E was silent because it's at the end, and then it makes this vowel long and say its name. So let's sound it out. W-I-T, w-I-T, white, white, white. I have white pillows on my bed. White. Now will you please use the word white in a sentence? Nice work. Let's do another one together. All right, write this one down for me and circle the special sound. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. and then unpause it so we can check your work. Okay, did you finish? Let's check your work. Did you circle the W-H? Nice job. Let's go ahead and sound it out. W-eel, w-eel, wheel, 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 wheel. The wheel on my bike was not working very well, so I could not go on a bike ride. Wheel. Go ahead and use the word wheel in a sentence. Nice work. Let's do one more together. Go ahead and write this one down. And circle the special sounds you see. There might be more than one. All right. Let's check your work and see if you did it correctly. If you need to pause the video, always do that so that way you can write it down and have enough time to circle it. Okay? Let's check your work. Here we go. W-I-T-C-H, w-I-T-C-H, which, which. Which kind of cookie do you like? Chocolate chip or oatmeal raisin? Which? Now you go ahead and use which in a sentence. Good work. Nice job. Well, great job today. We learned all about our special sound, W in whale, and we will see you in our next video with our new special sound. So until then, bye-bye guys.